Hello. Alright, this time again forgot to mix up friggin' micas before I did anything else. Whatever. I'm doing, what am I doing? Oh, Daphne. I'm going to do pink and purple with the indigo sparkle in it. And I'm going to chuck some other sparklies in there too, which is over there. But first of all, let's put some stuff in here, whatever that is. Apparently, words are hard today. Oh dear. I need to buy one of Evan and Caitlin's shirts. Because I've got one that says words are hard because, you know, sometimes words are hard. Alrighty. Nearly there. Nearly there. Oh, just a couple more. Oh, wait. Oh. Yeah. I'm getting glitter while I'm at it. I'm over kicking tables and shit and everything. This is my day today. I've just been kicking everything. That's all going in there. That's the this is the stuff that Becky sent me, which I'm pretty sure is just Blizzard, but not from Amanda. I'm gonna have Mica snot, Blizzard snot, snow snot. Oh no, I'll hit on the right one in a minute. Bedazzled boogers. I know, I probably should stop, but whatever. I'm not gonna. I just can't think of anything else, so. I think bedazzled boogers kind of wins it, honestly. Anyone listening to me must be like, what the freaking hell is she doing in there? And that's okay. Keep them guessing, I say. All the bubbles in the soap. That's what I'm doing. Putting all the bubbles in the soap. I'm thinking... I know I shouldn't do this because I'm using pink, which always turns into pigskin, and purple, which always goes grey. But I was just thinking, if I did a pink soap with a purple drop swirl, that would be really nice. Oh god, here we go. I'm gonna hate it. I'm gonna put a lot of pink in there though. So, that muching of pinks. And I don't know if that wisteria is probably... Oh, don't do that. God almighty. Jesus wept. He would if he had to spend any time with me. No, don't go in there. He would, seriously, he would weep. He'd be like, oh, I just can't stand this girl. She is so weird. She does weird things. And as expected, pigskin. What did I say? I said pigskin. And then this one will go a lovely shade of grey. Even if I use lots, which I'm going to. And some sparkles. Lots of sparkles. And it'll still go grey, and I'll still hate it. Whatever. Oh, there's a helicopter. I love helicopters. I've never been on one that did not go grey. Because I'm too scared. Because, oh well, whatever. Because I'm afraid of heights. So, first time like I said, oh no, the first time I get up in a plane or anything will be when I go to Japan, because at least my destination will be somewhere that's worth whatever I have to go through to get to it. So, that's it. I'm going to Japan at some point. I don't care what it friggin' takes. I'm going to Japan. I saved up $8 for my holiday once before. I don't see why I can't do it again. Because it's all good. Oh, I probably should put some fragrance in here. Well, shit. Didn't think of that. Let's try that. This smells like dishwashing liquid. Yes, it does. Very much so. Yes, it does. I don't remember it rising. Does it rise? What have I got written down? No problems. Oh, there you go. It's not, look, it's not awful. And this is no longer pigskin, so that's something. It's an odd colour though, I don't know if I like it. But it's something different, because you know me, I'm usually always do a white base when I do drop swirls, so at least this time it's something a little different. I'm just going to use a different spatch for that one. Actually, you know what? I might actually use a spoon. But yes, this is set up a little bit, but purple does tend to do that, so I'm not overly worried. Look, this stuff is not awful, don't get me wrong. Did I say I was doing Daphne? I probably didn't. It's not an awful smell by any stretch of the imagination. It's definitely not awful. It's just not my cup of tea. But then again, neither is a cup of tea. So, you know, I don't like tea. Unless it's, you know, the tea, and then I like it. Oh, what day is it? Oh, speaking of the tea, oh, this is just, yep, this is a drop swirl, plop swirl. Yeah, RuPaul's Drag Race UK should be on. Because it's Friday. Yay for Friday. We love Friday. I love RuPaul. I've loved RuPaul forever and ever. Just love someone who can just own who they are and make such a success of themselves, and you know, just do it. Rue's like a walking, talking bloody Nike ad. No, I think he's awesome. You guys already all know that though. You can hear me talk about Rue all the time if you're a regular. I imagine I harp on about it all the time. Alright, you go over there because you're now in the way. Now, before that gets any thicker, you should go in there. And then this is just... Actually, if I can find my tool quickly, I'll do a thing. Oh my god, I'm sorry guys. My brain. If I can find the hanger, I'll do a hanger swirl. I don't think I know where it is, but... So, we'll do a chopstick swirl instead. How's that sound? How does that grab you? Except we'll do it with a spoon. Because she's pretty chunky. Whoop! I don't think this is gonna, it's just gonna all be lumpy inside, I think. I don't think we're gonna get anything that's even remotely swirly, but it should be a little bit more mixed up in there. Because this is nice and thick, I think I might do a textured top. Oh, soap everywhere. Soap everywhere. Alright, give me this spoon. Nothing exciting, just a regular, ordinary textured top. I really like that purple. I'm not keen on the pink at all. But I mean, it's not pigskin pink, so that's something. But yeah, it's kind of nothing. I want this colour. Never get that colour, ever. I probably used the wrong mica, that's why. If I could make soap that colour, I would be like the happiest person on the world. On the world. Well, on the world works too, because, you know. Now I'm just going back over the lines that were in between and pulling those up so it's got like more dints in it. And then I'll just give this a little pull up as well, just so it matches. And just because I'm in glitter mode, that's getting glitter too. I think everything's just getting glitter this week. Because I can. Because I can. I love me some glitters. And it's full of glitter anyway, so, you know, why not? Oh, I can get one more swipe with this one. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm used to using so many paper towels. It's kind of naughty, but I don't really have a choice. I have got to buy some tea towels. Alright, what did I say? Glitter. Oh, let's go with the super sparkly, sheeny shit. Oh my god, there's too much wind in here. That's because I've got the window open this far and the garage door up about this far. It's very windy outside. Holy crap. Whoops. Well, that is very sheeny now. Not Michael Sheen, just regular sheen. I'm not going to put any other glitter on it because that's just fabulous. And it smells like... You know, it might be like a toilet cleaner. I shouldn't say that, should I? But it is. It smells like it's like some sort of cleaner, whether it's dishwashing liquid. It might be dishwashing liquid, or maybe a shampoo or something. But that's what it smells like. It doesn't smell like perfume at all, unless it does. And I don't know why anyone would want to wear it, but yeah, people do things, strange things. All right, I'll see you for the cutting. Ta-da! Hi guys. Time to cut this beastie. I'm just pulling off all the bits of thin soap that were up the sides of the mould. Okay, interesting to see what this looks like because it was all kind of globularly. Globularly? That's really not a word. Come on. 3 go. Alright, I'll give you a bit of help. Pitching! Alright. Okay, well, the pink doesn't look like pig skin, so there's that. Oh, okay. Don't know why there's a scrape mark in there, but I like it. That turned out really good, didn't it? There you go. I thought it was just going to be like a whole seriously jumbled mess, and it was not. Is not. There you go. Who knew? It's got glycerin rivers in it, or heat rivers, I don't know, whatever they are, it's got them. But yes, I quite like that. I have no idea what this one was. No idea. That was yesterday. I don't remember that. I don't, because I don't need to remember it, because it'll be written down. So I don't need to. Although it's going to annoy me now. Yeah, that's bipolar for you. It's like, if I don't need to remember it, I don't. It's like there's so much goes on in my head all the time that I just don't store information. It's weird. Just moving these over. I'm going to cut the next one. But that's it for this video. Another quickie. Doing well. Keeping them all under 3 minutes. Alright. I'll see you for the next one, guys. Bye.